This review is of Ergodyne Chillets Evaporative with acrylic polymers. This is model number 6700, and I happened to get this at work. We have these because it's gotten very warm at work. I work at Amazon, and you know, people are struggling to stay cool even though the air conditioning is on. At least they turn it on eventually, but it's not on at the start of the morning. They turn it on, and then it does cool off, but then because the doors are constantly being opened to take out the cargo containers to go to the airplanes, that keeps it from staying cool, and so it becomes pretty warm. And now that the temperatures are up in the 80s and 90s, this is critical. So I looked at it, I saw it several times over the past few weeks, and I was like really skeptical because I thought it was just a regular piece of cloth. And then as you can see, I've already used it. And their intergalactic headquarters are in St. Paul, Minnesota. And I found that amusing. I hope you do too. So these are the instructions, actually. Soak, put them on, cool down. I don't know why they say which is them. They should say it, because there's only one. And it is, let's see, I would say 2.5 feet long, maybe 3 feet. The only color that we had at work is this blue one. Now, one thing that I found out quite by accident when I took it out was I found this in one corner over here. I found what appeared to be something inserted inside the material, and I had no idea what it was. And then I started playing with it, and I realized it was beads of some kind inside, and that is what they meant by the acrylic polymer. There literally are beads that absorb liquid or water, sweat, whatever, that are inside of this. And so you want to try to disperse those beads so they're throughout instead of being stuck at the ends of the pocket, which is very long. I mean, it's like over a foot, maybe 1.5 feet. Let me see here. Yeah, probably 1.5 feet long. So that will fit around the heads of most people. And I did try it out. I wore it all day yesterday, and what I discovered was, aside from a couple of times when I added extra water, my sweat was sufficient to keep it wet and cooling my head the whole day. And that was great. I mean, and it's the polymer beads that make the difference, and I can feel them throughout this. I wish they had done a better job of dispersing the beads, but that's it. So this is actually very effective for an all-day solution. I'll give it a 9. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I just want to add that with the bandanas, I don't know exactly what happened. I did notice that you don't actually have to get them wet, because if you're sweating, they're going to absorb the sweat. But after a few days of wearing it, I did notice an unpleasant smell coming from it. And so I washed it. And then I started wearing it again. And it was still, it had absorbed lots of liquid from when I washed it. And I did it in the laundry machine, which I had done previously and not had any problems. But this time, for some reason that I'm not really sure of, when I started wearing again, I started to get pimples on my forehead, and it was kind of bad. So I actually had to take the bandana and throw it away. So I don't know if it was because the polymers absorbed the detergent, or if it was because there was fungus in there, which I don't know. But I thought I should just add that to the video. So I actually stopped wearing it. I threw it away. I got another one, but I haven't used it because the weather hasn't been conducive since it's cooled off. So that is unfortunate, but I don't know what to make of it. Maybe Ergodyne, if they see this video, they can put a comment in explaining how that might have happened. Thanks for watching.